Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about production system in artificial intelligence. So production system is a framework used to manage, optimize the production of goods and services within an organization. What it means is a production system in artificial intelligence is a rule based system that uses the knowledge base to solve the problems and make the decisions. It's designed to mimic how human experts solve problems. So, how it works? Production system uses a knowledge base of rules and an interface and inference engine to solve the problems. The system also checks if the condition in the part of a rule match that affects in the database. Also, if the conditions match, the system executes the part of the rule. It also includes the system adds new facts or updates in the existing systems. The system repeats the cycle until it reaches a final outcome or no more rules which can be applied. So, what are the real world applications that are expert systems? Like we can say, use production systems to solve complex problems by mimicking human experts, then robotics and automation. Production systems are also used in robotics and automation to revolutionize the manufacturing. What are the key components of the production system? That is inputs, we can say raw material, labor, machinery, equipments, information, and capital requirement to produce the product. The second one is processes. It is the sequence of activities or operations that perform and transform inputs into finished products. So this also includes manufacturing, assembling, packaging, and testing. Third one is output. Output is the finished products or the services delivered to the customer. These outputs must meet predefined quality and specifications. The fourth one is feedback mechanism. Feedback is used to monitor and adjust the production process. This could be customer feedback, quality control data, or performance metrics. It also ensures that the system adapts to changing conditions. The fifth one is control systems. These includes automation, management, planning systems that regulates and direct the flow of operations and ensuring that its efficiency and quality. Overall, we can say that production system refers to a type or are the rules applied to different behavior and environments. You can also say that this framework is particularly a realm of expert systems which simulates human decision making processes using set of predefined rules and regulations. Let's say one scenario. Patient comes to a healthcare facility with following systems: fever, severe headache, sensitivity to light, and stiff neck. So, what are the inputs and what are the processing? What are the outputs? What are the feedback and what are the control systems we can apply on this particular scenario? So, students, do this practical. Let's, if you like our video, like and subscribe our channel.